Hi guys, Christine here, and I'm going to share with you how to change our ugly URL. So this was our website or our URL address for the landing page we just created. So we have a couple different options here to make it a little bit easier. So we can change the URL this way, and maybe we put some SEO terms of like, maybe something along these lines. Let's go ahead and save that. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this. The other option that we have, and that would be, that's still pretty long for a URL. One of the other options we have, so if we can buy a domain, or what I'm going to show you is an option for Bitly. So Bitly is a URL shortener. It's free. You just go ahead and sign up for an account, and what we can go ahead and do is paste it in there. And what we can have is something along those lines. So that's the free version of shortening this. That might be easier to market. If you want to, let me go ahead and search. I'm on GoDaddy.com, and let's search to see if this is available. All right, so this is available. I'm going to go ahead and add this. It's $11, so, or I guess $12 that first year. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the cart, and let's go ahead and check out. And I'm not going to have any of this. I don't need any type of website. Let's continue. All right, so this all looks good. Let me just go ahead and make sure I sign in. And if you need help with signing in or creating an account, call GoDaddy. They are right here. Contact us 24/7. They're awesome. And they'll walk you right through here. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to just do 1 year, and I'll keep PayPal, have all of this information. Let's go ahead and complete the purchase. All right, so it's going to give us, you'll get emailed a receipt. It's going to give you a lot of different options of what to do here. We don't want to do any of that. We want to go back to manage my domains. And let's go ahead and make sure that we refresh. I just want to make sure that it's going to be showing up. And they are in alphabetical order. You can see I own a lot of different domains. I'm going to go ahead and manage the DNS. All right, so all of this looks really confusing and intimidating. Don't worry about any of that. We're going to come down here to the bottom right, forwarding. Let's go ahead and add forwarding. And remember our new URL that we created. That's this one right here. We're going to make sure that that is live, and we're going to go ahead and forward it in there. And I am going to take out the HTTPS and make sure this matches correctly. And what we can do is do some forwarding with masking. So this is going to make it look pretty unique and professional. And whatever your keywords were, maybe for your YouTube video or maybe your landing page, you can go ahead and add into this. Again, this is more of the SEO side, but we want to make sure, like we would put maybe something along those lines. Again, this is my own property, so let's not market it for sale because I'm not looking to move. And let's go ahead and save this. And this might take a couple minutes for it to update. Let's go ahead and try it. So if you get a GoDaddy sign, this just means that it hasn't updated. If we come back over here to Manager, we can see that this is set up correctly. It just might take a couple minutes to update. So again, give it a couple minutes, maybe up to 30 minutes, maybe an hour. If you have any problems that this doesn't switch over, go ahead and call GoDaddy. They might tell you that you have to wait a little bit longer, but it's pretty simple to set up. It just takes a little bit to make sure that the domain registers. Let me try it one more time before we end this video. Yeah, it just might take a little bit, but it should be set up. We set up everything correctly. And so when you use this domain is going to be the only one showing when you come to this page now. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.